Hello everyone, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this severely damaged motorcycle fender. My goal is to fix this so it looks like it was never damaged. It might seem daunting, but I have a plan. The first step is to clean up this jagged edge. I'm using a drill with a step bit to carefully enlarge the hole. This isn't about making the hole bigger for no reason. It's to create a perfectly circular and smooth opening. A clean, consistent edge is crucial for a strong and invisible repair. I'm using a utility knife to further trim away any remaining rough or jagged edges. This ensures the surface is as flat and smooth as possible, which will allow our patch to sit flush and bond correctly. I'm taking a small piece of gray plastic and placing it over the hole. This will act as our patch material. I'm applying aluminum foil tape to one side of the PVC piece. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm continuing to apply more layers of aluminum foil around the hole. With the temporary barrier in place, I'm now using a marker to carefully trace the exact outline of the hole onto the gray plastic piece. After marking, I'm peeling off foil. I'm carefully cutting along the marked line with a pair of scissors. Accuracy here is important, as a well-fitting patch is the first step towards a strong and invisible repair. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. For the underside of the fender, I took another piece of foil and taped it to the hole in the fender. This will serve as a temporary backing mold directly beneath the hole. With the temporary backing ready on the underside, I'm now carefully inserting the precisely cut gray plastic patch into the hole from the top side of the fender. I want to make sure it sits flush and snugly within the opening. Now for the actual bonding. I'm using a heated soldering iron to gently melt the edges of the gray plastic patch, effectively welding it to the surrounding fender material. This creates a really strong molecular bond, essentially welding the two pieces together. I'm making sure to go all around the edge, ensuring a tight and durable connection. You can see the plastic melting and blending, which is exactly what we want. To further strengthen the repair and create a smooth surface, I'm applying a generous amount of baking soda over the melted edges. Immediately after, I'm adding super glue on top of the baking soda. The baking soda acts as a filler and catalyst, creating an instant, incredibly hard and durable bond with the super glue. It's almost like magic how quickly and strongly it sets. For even greater reinforcement, I'm adding another generous layer of baking soda over the already hardened area. Building up the material like this will give our repair exceptional resilience and ensure it withstands vibrations and impacts. And finally, more super glue over the second layer of baking soda. This completes the chemical bonding process, creating a repair that is not only strong but also blends seamlessly with the original material. It's like magic how quickly this sets. Now that the repair is completely set, I'm carefully removing the aluminum foil from the underside of the fender. You can already see how much cleaner and more integrated the repair looks from this side. With the structural repair done, it's time to smooth things out. I'm using a sanding pad to meticulously sand down the patched area. The goal here is to remove any excess material and make the repair perfectly flush with the surrounding plastic, creating a smooth and even surface. I'm continuing to sand, working in circular motions to ensure a flawless transition from the repaired section to the original fender. Patience and thoroughness in this step are key to achieving a professional-looking finish that's virtually undetectable. To clean up all the sanding dust and prepare the surface for painting, I'm thoroughly wiping down the repaired area with a clean green cloth. This removes any residue that could interfere with paint adhesion. And now for the final touch, painting. I'm applying a coat of black spray paint evenly across the entire fender. This step not only gives the repair a uniform and brand new appearance, but also protects the plastic from further wear and tear. And there you have it, our incredible, perfectly repaired motorcycle fender, looking brand new. The transformation is amazing, and the repair is practically invisible. This DIY fix proves that with a little creativity and the right techniques, you can achieve fantastic results. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.